Good day my friend, on this video I will show you how to change a diesel fuel pump on a Massey Ferguson 35. Where is located our fuel pump? Well, it's right here, below the fuel tank. And how do we know that we have to change it? Well, because when we want to pump, as you can see, nothing happened. Now, if I look at the new pump that I've got, when I press it, we can hear the noise, we know it does something, okay? So, we will have to dismantle this and change it. But first off, let's switch off the gas oil. To switch off the gas oil, we go on the other side of the tractor, and right here, we've got something that we can turn. So we turn it clockwise, full, so like that the gas oil won't come out of the tank. Now we start with the problems, because obviously on that tractor everything is on imperial and not metric. So we need to remove those two holes, and the 14 doesn't fit and the 15 is loose. So I've searched a bit on the internet and it looks like the correct spanner is a 9/16, which I don't have. So anyway, what I'll do, I will use a wrench like this and see how it goes. Now we need to remove the two nuts that are on each side. It seems like a socket of 11 is good. So let's try and remove that. I now have the old pump with me. I won't throw it away because I've seen that it's possible to repair them. I've seen some kits that have been sold. So in fact, what I would like to do is buy the kit eventually, rebuild it, and like that I will have a spare in case this one fails in the future. What I will do now is clean nicely the area where the pump will go. I will place something inside the hole because I don't want any dirt to go inside, and I will clean it with diesel, with gas oil, and then once clean will be ready to fit. Everything is now clean. Make sure that if you had that that joint here, make sure it's completely removed before to fit the new pump. Now you can't just place the pump like that because you see we've got that curve here. This should go inside the engine and go under. Okay, so if you see something here that block the passage, you will have to turn the engine to have access. Okay, so either you turn the engine from the front or you rock it a little bit, whatever you want to do, but this has to go up so like that you can fit the pump correctly. Before to continue fitting this, make sure it works. Okay, you should hear that it works. Okay, if it doesn't, then it's badly connected on the engine. So now I can fit the rest. Okay, that's great. The pump is now fitted. What I would advise you to do now is to disconnect the tubing that go to the injector. Action the pump, so you should feel it's actually working. You should feel it's bringing gas oil. Okay, don't forget to open the below the tank, obviously, and then gas oil should come out. So if it comes out, you know that's done. It's perfectly mounted. That's great. If it doesn't, it's because you didn't fit it properly here. Okay, so you'll have to start again. And apart from that, if you got a problem with overheating on your Massey Fergusson 35, you can watch on my channel. I've got a video about this, how to fix it. And if you watch the entire channel, you will see a lot of video about tractors, about chainsaw, brush cutters, etc. Okay, so until the next one, take care of yourself. Ciao.